2020, baby. 2020 vision. You steer with your airbag wire. Oh, damn, that light bar does do good lighting, huh? All right. So we're back a couple days later after we got the steering wheel, and then we're at, oh my God. This is why I don't do these things. All right, so we back a couple days later after we did, Jesus. So we're back a couple days later after we got the steering wheel, and we're in here right now about to pull the steering wheel out for you guys and put the new one in. Zach's got the light bar because we can't see in here because the battery's off. It's dark, even though we got garage lighting. All right, so it's easier with this car because there ain't no battery in this thing, and this keeps locking up, so we keep the key in there just so we can turn around a little bit. There's these pieces in here. Got a little 8 bolt in there on both sides. You unhook that so you can unhook that. Once you take those bolts off, then you'll be able to take the airbag out. I already unhooked it so it'd be easier to talk to about this. These 2 pieces here will be connected. You'll just take these crimps and pull them out. Then you got a 24-inch socket right here. Look at here, Zach. Look at that. Show that to them real quick. If you can see it. I can see it. All right. Then we went ahead and unhooked that because once we get this bolt out, I think it's going to be a pretty sturdy thing. It's going to hit me in the face whenever we pull it. Whoa! So go ahead and get your Makita out. Oh, yeah? And that's how we're going to do this.
Hey, we got to have it matching.
Oh, look, and we got some lights on here.
Hey, we got to have it matching.
Oh, yeah. Teal on teal, baby.
Teal on teal, man.
Teal on teal. Now, watch out. This airbag might deploy once you hit the socket. You never know.
Whoa!
God dang.
You got some torque behind it, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Oh, man. It's already broke.
Yep. That 24-inch right there, boy.
Right there.
This thing came out easy.
Yeah.
Usually whenever you see some people that you're like fighting it, try to get out. Whoo! It's the first time I took this steering wheel off.
Taking it off.
Taking it off, boy. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Look at that.
We're going to drive like that.
Yeah, that's how we can drive. That's the new way. 2020, baby. 2020 vision. You steer with your airbag wire.
No seats and no steering wheel, son.
Oh, my God. Look, this is how we can drive like this. This is how we can drive now. Hey, what's up? Hey, girl. Hey. Yeah, we got 3.7 V6 little button. Lord, look, let's just go ahead and put this up in the way. Everything's in the way right here, man. Look, then we're going to discard this because we're going to get this wrapped. Yeah. We ain't even going to put that back in.
Yeah, we ain't going to put that.
We got a little,
just chunk that back there.
A little thing going on.
Yeah. Hit that vape right quick.
Vape goddess over here. All right, so you probably wonder why we sitting in here without no seats, but our seats are in Houston still getting done because we're rewrapping them. And it's going to be one of the few Recaro seats that are going to be reupholstered so they can match the whole interior in here. And this is going to be freaking fire.
Fire.
But we're just going to take this back out of the wrap and we can install this puppy.
Whew.
Oh, my Lord.
Lord have mercy.
I don't even want to touch it. I just washed my hands. I still feel like they're dirty. Too scared to mess this thing up, boy.
Up, boy.
Let's see here. Slowly put this piece in. Let's see if we can get this puppy in. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get her in there. Well, hell. Where'd that 24 go?
Where'd that son gonna go down there, huh?
Nope. I get it. Put her in. Bro. This freaking steering is freaking killer. Oh, my Lanta. I don't even know what to do.
You don't know what to do.
We still got to put the buttons in, but I just wanted to do that just to look at it. So do you think we should put the teal in here or leave it like this?
Leave it like that.
Think? Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me grab this teal.
Yeah, go grab those.
What we can do is put the teal in here. So we have carbon fiber here and here, and then the teal here and here.
Yeah.
But I don't know I don't know what we should do. What do you think?
We can see what it looks like with that. Rolling.
So we ended up taking these pieces out on the old steering wheel and putting these in because carbon fiber here, and carbon fiber here was just too much in my opinion. And we already had the other pieces hydro dipped on the other steering wheel previous. So we put these in and I think it looks perfect.
Looks bananas.
And I still am like, oh my God, like there's ridges on the back of here. This is all, oh man, I don't even know what to say. And then we're gonna send this off, but just to give y'all a glimpse of what it looks like somewhat. It's gonna look killer, but we're gonna do something here to match here. So this all flows because this piece here just looks ugly as hell with it just being black. So we're gonna come up with something where we can get this piece to go away because this black just gotta go.
Yeah, throw that something in the trash.
Throw it out the door. All right, now we're gonna take our Makita back up in her.
Whoa.
That's good. Best you can gonna get, boy. Okay, holy crap. I'm still in disbelief that I actually bought this wheel. If y'all are wondering, this is an expensive wheel, probably around $1,200 or $1,300. That's why not a lot of people have them, because no one really wants to pay this much for a steering wheel. But I ended up doing it because I like to be different, and once you get one, you actually understand why you paid that much, because this is just a killer steering wheel, and it's really gonna pop when we go to shows. Wow. All right, that's it. Good.
Yeah.
If you're still here, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment down below. We do appreciate you being here and watching our videos. We try our best, but sometimes we are slow on posting, but we try. Peace out, homies.